had a deer. And then we are going to the cabin. And then
what are we doing?
going to find the blood trail.
I want to find a blood trail.
Gonna catch a big deal when we're on the way. And we're gonna find the blood. Hang on,
I really thought I knew, but there is such a freeze on me, I'm fixing to turn blue. Won't you hand me down my winter coat and build a fire, woman, please? Give me a little something to keep me warm in this hard luck freeze. Now it doesn't seem that long ago I was sitting on my daddy's knee, listening to the tales that he would tell, somewhat taller than the big pine trees. He talked about tradition, doing proud by the family name.
Okay, today we are going to the army ship right now. And I am awesome. And we are going hunting in a deer stand. And it's deer season today. And we're in the forest. And me and Mom are going shooting out together. And and we're wearing some orange. And bye, that's it.
All right, you heard it. November 9th, 2024. Minnesota rifle opener. Mom's sick, but we're out here at the stand. Hopefully we'll see something.
Yep.
And we'll see what we can do.
Yep.
Bye.
Bye. I want to go where Tabby is.
Okay, go ahead.
Is he right there?
He's right there. What do you want to say to Tubby?
What do you think I should say?
Whatever you want.
I love you, Tabby. I said I love you, Tabby.
That was very nice. All right.
I miss you, Tabby. And I said I miss you, Tabby.
That was very nice. Come on.
Whoa, yeah. Mom, what the fuck is that? Try showing down.
This way.
Hard as I might try, mine always seems to end.
Keep going straight. Going on a deer hunt.
And I'm feeling so downhearted, and I think I might just cry. But I'm afraid that if I do, these tears are gonna freeze in mine. Well, that might be okay, 'cause then I couldn't see all the things that keep going wrong, and the way they all look at me like they're wishing I would go over that big old bridge and leave. Lord have mercy, get me through this hard luck freeze. Them Northern Lights are putting on a show tonight, boys. Ain't nothing like that anyway. Man, it's cold out here. Put a log on that fire. So I'm putting on my long johns, dusting off.
He left his coat. Yeah, I left his bear too.
Should we bring it back?
Yeah, but let's be quiet.
My hat, I'm gonna ride this storm out, people, you can bet on that, because I got my memories and all my hopes and dreams, and I feel a thaw coming on this hard luck freeze. Hard luck freeze, said I feel a thaw coming on this hard luck freeze.
West we forgot his window turned out the deer stand.
Did you see any deer?
No.
Nothing?
Okay, I got this one. I got Wesley's teddy in my pocket. He forgot out the deer stand and his coat.
Yep, I got it.
All right.
Heavy. I love you. Bye. I said, Heavy, I love you. Bye. I said, Heavy, I love you. Bye.
That was very nice. Okay, you can't even see Zach. I shot a buck. He says it's laying down over there. It was such a long shot. The sun was in my eyes. The wind is blowing straight in my face. I'm sick. I'm gonna get down and go see what it is.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Say it one time.
Where? I see its belly. Okay.
You see it?
Yeah.
I haven't gone up there, so good luck.
Dead. I shot him right here. Yeah. Like the front of the neck coming, it was quartered to me. No. We're just gonna prop it up in the trailer.
Okay.
And prop it open with a stick. And then I'll just go home really early in the morning.
Yeah, I mean, it's gonna get cold.
Yeah. I think laying them like that probably helped.
I think so. I mean, he's already stiff.
That tree. I don't know if you can break part of it.
I'll try.
Deer still there?
Yeah, he's still good.
Alright.
I just didn't want to have the window open facing to the south. It was so cold today.
Yeah.
I think that's what slowed me down from shooting.
Nice job.